day when we start things in the kitchen. It's even a better day when Gino Tiozzo from Donatello's is back. He's bringing friends, too.
I know. He's brought a special guest with him this morning, Fabiano Romacci from Mora Estates Winery. Good morning.
Morning.
Excited to be here.
Us back.
This is how we start a Monday morning. We like it.
Absolutely.
And what I love about these guys, we just told that you guys just met a couple days ago, and I would have thought you guys,
seem like
I
it.
know,
Yeah, we're like
we're
brothers.
childhood
We have a lot in
friends.
common.
You're actually in town. You did an event.
Yes, at
Right?
Donatello's, yeah.
Yeah, a couple nights ago we had a great wine dinner. It was just fabulous. We're going to do a dish, the pinna puttanesca that we served with Fabiano's Valpo at the dinner. It was a big hit. It was a lot of fun and went really well.
We couldn't go, so that's why we're happy you're here this morning.
We brought it to you.
You know what, Gino? I know you want to start cooking. You mentioned what you were going to be making, so we'll get you started there. And I know you can cook and talk at the same time. So
Yeah.
I'm going to put you to the test. Gino, let's brag on your friend a little bit, because I know you are passionate about wine.
So I'm going to let Fabiano tell you all the details, but he's the only maker, as far as I will know, in California that makes wines in the Amarone style, which is from Veneto region, which is where I'm from. So,
Correct.
Fabiano, I'll let you
That's
talk a little
why
bit
y'all
about
get
that.
along
I mean,
so well.
I was actually born in Sicily, but I love Sicilian cooking, but Veneto, I just fell in love. It's a romantic wine. It's elegant. It's seductive. The technique of making this wine also dates back to Roman times.
Okay.
So we semi-dry the grapes for like 90 to 120 days. So this is the Valpo from Mora Estate, and it's the baby Amarone today that we're sharing with you that has 1/3 Valpolicella varieties, 1/3 Cabernet Franc, and another little technique where you take the leaves from the Amarone and you re-ferment it with the fresh fruit the following year. So it has a lot of structure, a lot of complexity going on.
Okay.
Lots of complexity, it sounds
Yeah,
like.
right?
And it goes perfectly with the pinna puttanesca, which is also Roman classic dish.
Yeah.
So the
What do you
wines go
start in the
together.
pan, by the way? How do we start your fancy dish?
Garlic, anchovies, about a clove per serving. A little bit of anchovies, let that brown and melt down. Capers, black olives, a touch of peperoncino, some nice olive oil. I mean, this dish really is a complexity of flavors that blend together. It's about balance.
Right.
It's about just beautiful flavors.
You know what this reminds me of? Childhood.
Well, and explain that. I wanted you to go into that. That's how you guys
Italian
connected
household,
so well.
you come, you're a guest.
Yeah.
These are the aromas that you actually get when you walk into someone's house.
And your dad,
how
did he own an Italian restaurant in,
Yeah, he had a restaurant called La Traviata. We used to cater to all the opera stars. And
in San Francisco,
San
right?
Francisco,
Yeah.
exactly. And this is where I actually developed a palate at a very young age to drink Barolos and Barbarescos and all these wonderful wines.
Were you drinking at that young age?
I was.
Really? I guess
I was sneaking it. I was. I'm not going to lie.
Well, let's go. Let's try some. I'm excited to try this.
All right, wonderful.
How you doing, Chef Gino?
I'm doing great.
And
Right.
the bottles are hand painted.
Oh my
I
goodness!
just wanna mention
I was
you.
going to say, not only
By
is
you,
the wine
nonetheless.
inside
Yeah, exactly.
He was going to leave that out.
He's a one-man show.
He really is.
Yeah.
Maker, yes.
Owner.
Painter.
How is California
Sales.
doing, by the way, your hometown? Our thoughts and prayers certainly with
I know,
everybody
it's so
in California
devastating.
right now.
Yeah, we can totally relate to it from our experience from last year. We got to take our blessings and pray for everyone, you know?
I know
Gino.
it. So
Gino's
this winery
cooking.
you have, where is it in California? Explain where.
It's in Sonoma County.
Okay.
The fruit source comes from Alexander Valley, Dry Creek, and Russian River. So I got 3 AVAs going on in a bottle. The winery is located in Healdsburg.
Okay.
And I established this brand in 2009 called
Okay.
Mora Estate.
So are the fires anywhere near the winery or anything right as of right now?
No,
Okay.
we're all good. We're all
Right.
good. Yeah, thank you.
Salute.
Salute.
Cheers.
Drinking a little history right here.
All
Enjoy it.
right.
Yeah.
And Fabiano,
he did
your
the
wines
spin. I
can
didn't
be
do that.
found in. That's beautiful.
That's good.
Yeah, it
Oh,
is.
that's really good. It's smooth.
We have about
yet it's
45
got a lot of
seconds left,
flavor
Chef.
still.
Right.
My little wine knowledge, that is really good.
Yeah, you got the forward fruit and you got the acidity. And then we got this wonderful pasta that Gino
Well,
was
man,
making.
I would say with this kind of wine, Carly, you're going to have to do the rest of the show. Sorry. This is
The
great.
other night we paired the Valpo with the puttanesca. Is that
That's right.
correct?
Okay.
Yeah, so that's wonderful. You know, when you combine all these ingredients, I mean, it's just amazing.
Yeah. Where can we get your wine, by the way?
There we are.
Moraestate.com.
Okay.
M-O-R-A, Mora Estate.
And we always know where to find Gino, of course. Got that famous South Tampa location that is still packed on the regular, and we know why.
Get ready for the holidays. They're coming. All right, we're going to dive in. Gentlemen, thank you so much. Enjoy your time in Tampa.
I had a great time, everybody. It was open arms with Donatello at the club over at the Treasure Island.
Well, since y'all are like
That's how we
family
like
now,
to do
you're going
that.
to come back, all right?
Come back.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you.